Well, I got something interesting that I'm going to install today to finish up my 12-volt pool wiring project outside. I got this switch cover plate. It is made by Bell. It's called Bell Outdoor, made by Hubble. And this is a 2-gang toggle and receptacle for GFCI covers for wet locations, which is exactly what I have out there. Now, if you'll notice, this side is actually a switch, because I have a switch on my left-hand side and I have a GFI plug on my right-hand side. So let's take this out of the plastic and let's see what's behind the drapes, so they say, right? Come on. There we are. That's the cover for people that like to take a look and see what's going on. All right. That comes with an adapter, which we'll use. It comes with screws to screw this on. And look, it even has an on-off sticker, which is pretty cool. And then screws to connect it to the plate. Now, the way this works is this has got a gasket in here, all right? But the way this works is, that's it. Look, it's ingenious. You move this on, off, on, off, on, off. Right now it's off. The switch is going to be inside of here. I'm going to turn it on. It's going to move the switch up for me. Pretty cool, right? You bet. And this side is going to be my plug. Now, I've got a GFCI, so I'm not going to need this internal piece. So somehow that knocks right out of there, just like so. But I will need this to dress up the switch. No, do I even need that to dress up the switch side? No, that would be if I had a switch over here. So I'm not going to need either one of those. All right? Now in this over here, you're saying, why you got 2 screws here? Where's the other 2 screws? The other 2 screws are hidden inside here. So we're going to have to get those 2 screws installed, these 2 screws installed. There's a nice waterproof gasket on here. This is the cat's meow, exactly what I needed to dress things up outside. Now, it looks upside down. If printing bothers you, right, if it bothers you, then you're going to have an issue. But my plug is like this, and therefore that printing will always be upside down. C'est la vie. But that's it. That's the Hubble outdoor cover switch plate. It's got gaskets everywhere, right? Really well. And we're going to install this, and we'll see how easy it goes in. Thanks for watching.